Good morning, everybody. Our garden is absolutely amazing at this time of the year. Everything is in bloom, and look at the strawberries. And on this idyllic day, I decided it is actually probably the right time to do another big project, which involves this beautiful piece of leather that I got for 10 euros in the Mercatino, and that was waiting probably about a year, waiting for this moment. And below here is that wonderful piece, and now you have to guess what is that. This is what has to be upholstered in this leather, and this is what I was living with for last 2 years, and it is very embarrassing. I would say it is disgusting, and this is disgusting. These two are this is the seat and the back of the upper seat, which is just falling apart and disgusting. So I've never worked with leather, but I don't think it's any different than just very thick fabric. So I actually have no idea what to do, but taking little steps, as in any other project, I have to measure and to see if it's enough, this piece of leather, and it must be enough. I don't want to think about another piece or finding another piece, etc., etc. It has to be this piece, and I have to make it work for these two pieces. So here we go. And the thing is, this piece of leather has this scratch. It's maybe an old scar even, maybe just a scratch, so it's not pretty. And this is probably why it was so cheap. And also, this part of the skin has very delicate texture, and here it has more texture, which is absolutely beautiful. And I must say, it's so soft but thick at the same time. It's really nice thick leather, very soft, and I like that. I would like to use this on the seat, the piece with the very pretty texture, and maybe more delicate part could go for the back. But again, I have to measure it all and see what is the best way to cut this piece into pieces. Well, it looks like it must be pretty straightforward project. It fits well. Now this piece will be very easy because I will just staple gun it like that, fold over and staple gun. This one, I think I have to remove this old cover to see what underneath, but the base of the seat is metal. It's metal frame with some foam and these things. So there is nothing to staple to. So I don't know, maybe I will have to sew it as a cushion cover, maybe not. So first have to remove this horrible thing and see what is underneath. And the structure is very easy. This is the seat, the base, and then it goes the foam, and then there was this cover and some plastic. I don't think we will need any of those, so I think I will use this shape to measure the right piece of leather, and here we go. I think it's going to be wonderful. Actually, I have this feeling. It's meant to be. And the piece is cut into two pieces, and I hope it's gonna be enough. Now there is no way back or no way to change the situation, but anyway, I decided to start with the easiest bit, with the back. So pretty much this is it. I'll just fold over and staple gun it, and I hope it will look marvelous very soon. Do you like it? Oh yes, you like it, don't you? It's like being in the upper, and you love being in the upper, don't you? Oh, good girl, Sadie. Okay, it will be so much better, I promise you. I know. Oh my god, it is looking so good. Oh, and it is so soft and luxurious. Now I want to restore the upper. Now that will start a big restoration of the upper. I can't believe I haven't done it before. Now the sewing machine is outside in the summer kitchen. This is the only thing that was missing here, honestly. And I will try to sew two pieces together. If this machine does sew thick leather, then I'm good and I will continue with the project as I wanted. If not, then I will have to think about different way. Anyway, I removed in the upper. This is the, I don't know how it's called in English. It's to keep the sun off your face, sunscreen maybe. And it is held by a clip here. And then I was holding it in my hand, and then a paper fell off. And then I opened it. And it's a surprise note from a previous owner, and definitely not the one that I bought from, because it's in French. And it says, I think it says surprise or congratulations for buying. I have to see. I don't know, maybe you can help me with the translation. Is it bisous or I don't know. I'm so speechless. I can't believe it. This little note all this time was in the Ape. Oh, it is so sweet. You can tell it is old. The paper is yellow and thin and falling apart. It's in French. It's ridiculous. Wow. I have decided to do the sunscreen. I will call it sunscreen, I'm sorry. I can't think of a better name for that. In one side in the fabric, another side in the leather, and I think it matches so well together. So here we go. And I hope it will work. Also, I will make a little pocket so I can put my little hour wheel, parking wheel, and little things like that. So exciting!
Tiny village Oro with views so divine. We're fixing up a villa, it's taking all our time. Bought an old Italian dream, thought it'd be a breeze. Now we're knee deep in rubble and sherry, goddamn please. Oh, the plaster is peeling, the roof is caving in. Our romantic getaway, where do we begin? All the Sergi and sherry by our side. Restoring this villa, what a wild ride. Neighbors chuckle softly, they've seen this before. Another young couple wanted a perfect lake shore. We've got big plans, but the pipes have their schemes. Our slice of heaven turning into memes. Oh, the walls are crumbling and the floor's just a joke. Our romantic getaway, oh, what a poke. All a Sergi and sherry by our side. Fixing ugly villa, working just non-stop.
And the perfect ending of this day is a fish festival down in our lovely little town, and we did enjoy it so much. In the end of the massive queue to get some food. Let's see if there will be anything left. Okay, we made it to the kitchen area. I'm starving by now. Oh wow, it's beautiful. We have to get trays here. I think one is enough. We haven't got much. Look at the polenta. Ah.
Usate bread.
Persico, però dovete aspettare. And the project is taking a little bit longer than I expected, only because we have to improve this structure. For me to be able to upholster the seat, I need a wooden base here on this side of the seat, so I can fold over the leather and staple it to the wood. And here already there are 2 holes on this side and 2 on the other side that we can use to screw the piece of wood in here. So this is what Sergey is doing now. He is cutting the wood right size, and I hope to finish this project in an hour, because Charlotte is coming in 30 minutes. She will be giving Sergey a lesson, red making lesson. This is something new he wanted to learn. But I need to buy a couple of things in the supermarket, and I can't go to the supermarket without seed in my upper. So little complication here this morning. And also I used to have this box in the upper, which is now just disgusting, where I keep my lip balm and pen and like little bits and pieces. And I think it is going to be upgraded to this beautiful antique box from Spain, which used to hold a dulce de membrillo, which is a queen's marmalade sort of thing. And here we go, all my little things in a beautiful antique can. Oh, it is so pretty. I love this one. Okay, we have to hope for the best.
Good morning, everybody.
Oh, it's gone. Better?
Mm-hmm.
We will have problems here.
Yeah, I know. I see it already.
All family is fixing the upper. First is the seat back. If I hold it, will it make any difference?
Yes, please.
Yes. Oh, it is looking so beautiful. I can't believe it, honestly. Wow. And the seat back is very simply just screwed to the body of the upper with 3 screws. Sally, what do you think? Do you like the upholstery? Yes, you do. Yes. And here you can see what is below the seat. In the upper, it's wheel. It's battery, electrics, and yeah, little bits and pieces. And the motor is down there, because sometimes some models, they have engine here below the seat. All right. It will be amazing. It will be so good. And then I also thought if somehow I could make the handles in leather like that, that would be so pretty. With the little tassels on the ends, and it will be very good for hands to hold. But I don't know, I have to Google how they make it. Maybe just they glue it, I don't know. That would be so pretty. So, oh, And here too, it's in place. All good.
Okay, security plan.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful, Kotik. It is so pretty. Literally, honestly, I can't believe it. This is a massive step forward in our life.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh, it's amazing. It feels so good. Wow. It's like Lamborghini now.
Leather salon.
Leather salon. Now I need handles.
Yeah.
Yeah, that will be so nice. Look at that. Just like this. Vroom,
Cute.
vroom, vroom. I want to just reupholster the whole upper. Here as well. Here as well. And I made the screen.
Show it, different side.
Ta-da!
Yay!
Maybe not the prettiest one, but I can put my sunglasses here.
Oh, perfect.
Классно, да? Now Sherry has to check the new upholstery. Come on. Oh, isn't that wonderful, Sherry? Oh, it's beautiful. I think she's very happy. Oh, I'm very proud of myself right now. Very proud.